What up, guys? It's your boy King Jaffe Joe 413 back with another one.
I see you, haters.
What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always. So today's another install. We're gonna be doing another install on my man E's bike, top notch Ryker. Trilogy on 3, Captain, Boston, Trilogy on 3 Mass Chapter, Boston Captain. His bike's here. Oh, I forgot to let y'all know in the last video. His bike name's called Pipe Game. That's the name of his bike, Pipe Game. So, you know what I'm saying? Hashtag Pipe Game. Y'all see hashtag Pipe Game. I'm talking about the bike. You know what I'm saying?
Talking about the bike.
Pause. You know what I'm saying? So if you seen the stabilizer video before this video, that's mean the last video got. The 2 videos ago, we got 50 likes. But if you see this before you see the stabilizer video, that means we didn't get the likes. That means, you know what I'm saying? That means we didn't get the likes, and now you gotta see us install some grips. You get to see some grips. You know what I'm saying? So it was a stabilizer for likes. No likes, you get grips. You know what I'm saying? So, quick install for the grips. What we're doing is we're gonna be removing what he had. This is a 20. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned last time. 2021 Ryker Rally. Not a 22. The key does not work with every bike. The key don't work on his bike. Factory grips. These are the original grips he had on his bike. He didn't get upgraded grips to the sports grips when he bought the bike. So just like me, I'm like, why am I gonna get extra new grips when I buy the bike? When I can just wear these grips out and then buy the new grips. You know what I'm saying? So he's going blue. He got some blue grips that he wants to put on here. Hopefully they fit. Obviously, you can see these weren't made for the bikes with the holes in the end, so we're gonna have to cut the ends off of here to make sure we can put our mirrors back on. So you gotta remember that if you buy grips that don't have holes in the end, you're gonna have to cut them real quick. Quick, easy install. We got a rally here. So with the rally, what you gotta do is you gotta remove the hand guards. So we're gonna be removing the hand guards on both sides. We're gonna be removing the mirrors on both sides. Grips. They're worn, you know what I'm saying? You look at them, there's no pattern in them, so we're just gonna be cutting them off. We're not gonna be trying to get them off, we're just gonna cut them off. There is ways to get the grips off without cutting them, which we can do, but there's no reason if you're gonna throw them in the trash. One reason I'll tell you why you won't cut the grips, when Smitty first got his bike, he wanted to change his grips, so I wanted his old grips. So I took them off without cutting them. All right, so some people, you get confused when you're taking off this mirror. I've seen it on Facebook. You unscrew the screw, you're like, my mirror won't come out. My mirror won't come out. You know what I'm saying? What you gotta do is you gotta unscrew the screw, and then you gotta bang the screw in. All right, it's not banging in like that. Let's try this right here. This is a tight one. It's tight on here. There we go. There we go. You see that? So what it is when you tighten that screw, that nut slides down there, so it expands this. So what you got to do is once you unscrew it and you slide it down, the nut's gonna go down. It's gonna make it skinnier to come off. So I know y'all guys probably like, damn, King Jaffe Joe, you beating that shit. What? That's how you got to do it to get it off. All right, so we got 4 Allen keys here. We're gonna pull off. Factory installed hand guards, and they got Loctite on the screws, so they're a little tough to get. All right, hand guards off. We got our little razor here. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut these. Just gonna go straight down here. Straight down to the end. And remove that one. All right, so when you're installing your grips, you gotta remember one side of these is bigger than the other because this side has the throttle. It's a little fatter because this thing right here is still on there. So you gotta remember which one's fatter. Obviously, y'all can see. Can y'all tell? Can y'all tell which one's fatter? Left or right? Left or right? All right. I'm gonna put them behind my back and y'all tell me in the comments which one was the right one. All right. So now, I just want to see. Basically, it's the right length. If I cut just the head off right there, I'm just gonna cut the head off. No, just cut the hole.
Just cut the hole.
It's not gonna be super pretty, but you don't gotta worry about that because I have the mirror at the end of here, so you don't gotta worry about it being super pretty. Yeah. All right, so as y'all see, I was about to cut the whole end off. Dee said, "Don't cut the end off." I'm like, why? But if you look at this grip here. Factory grip, it does have the little end on there, so if I would have cut that off, it would have been like, it wouldn't have been as nice. So, looks better like that. So, what I'm gonna do is, what I usually use is a little bit of water. You can use water, hairspray, anything that's gonna go in here and dry fast. All right, so we're gonna use mountain water. We got a little bit of mountain water here. Just gonna drip a little bit in there. What really works good though is, I prefer the most is hairspray. Hairspray works the best. I may have to get some hairspray. Hairspray, it's super slippery, and then it gets super sticky.
That shit is like it's water resistant.
All right, there we go. Got it on there. A little bit of water. Wham bam, thank you, man. Blue grips now. So now what we gotta do is quick reinstall of our hand guards. So when you're installing your hand guards, I've seen people put them in like this. It's wrong. These two screws are supposed to be at the bottom. And there's a little knob right here. This little nub right there goes in that hole. But I've seen people have them on upside down. And actually one person told me they were installed by a dealership like that, but I think they were lying. I think they was lying. So I'm just gonna grab that there. So, alright. So now that's installed. Last thing we gotta do is the mirror. Slide it in, and we tighten it up with the screw. So I like to ride with my mirrors. I like to have the mirror lined up with the hand guard so it's not sticking up or down. So it's like more a little uniform look, kind of. Wham bam, thank you, man. There you guys. New grips, quick install, new grips. You want some grips? You can go to Amazon. You can go to whoever sell grips. You know what I'm saying? You can go grips.com. Get yourself some grips. But you learn how to get the way. Who taught you how to install them motherfuckers? King Jaffe Joe. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you go to the website, KingJaffeJoe413.com. Get yourself some merch, you know what I'm saying? We always got something for you. Peace.